Good day, folks. Sean here from Air Photography. So Insta360 has recently launched a brand new 360 camera, the X4 Air. Now, technically, this was launched about a month ago globally. However, it was delayed. The release was delayed in North America, but it is now fully available. And it's actually the perfect timing because this is part of the Insta360 Black Friday deals. So you can actually get this at $100 off, bringing the price to $299, which is actually a really good deal for what you're getting. Now, essentially, this is an upgraded version of the X4. It's got a lot of the new features of the X5, but in a much smaller form factor, and of course, a much smaller price. It even features user replaceable lenses, so if you happen to damage these, you can easily replace them yourself. It has an upgraded sensor over the X4. The X4 came with a 1/2-inch sensor. This has a 1/1.8-inch sensor. So that's definitely going to help in low light situations. The X4 Air is capable of recording at 8K 30 frames per second in spherical mode. That's going to allow for nice high resolution exports when reframing your 360 video. And on top of that, it supports single lens mode. You can record in 4K 30. In single lens mode, it's more like a traditional action camera. You just have to hit record, and it's going to be in a usable format on the memory card. And the video quality of single lens mode actually looks really good. Now, one of the selling points of this camera is its size. If we compare it to the X5, you can see it is quite a bit smaller. That's going to make it lightweight, a little bit easier to mount in some scenarios. It comes in at 165 grams. It's probably one of the lightest available 360 cameras. It's even lighter than the X3 was. So a lot of people are going to like the small form factor and lightweight. If you're going to be holding this for a long period of time out on an extension pole, or you've got this mounted on a helmet, it is going to make it much more comfortable. Although this is coming in at a really good price, it still has a lot of the high-end features of the X5, including adaptive tone, which was a new feature introduced with the X5, and it supports active HDR. Between those two options, you can achieve really nicely exposed footage, even in really complex lighting conditions. It really helps with dynamic range and helps prevent blown out skies. Now, like some of their other cameras, it supports many different types of capture modes, including free frame video. You can set your field of view and aspect later on. You don't have to make that decision while recording. And on top of that, it even has me mode, which again, in single lens mode, will keep you always centered in the frame, no matter how you hold the camera. It's available in 2 different colors, so you can choose whatever suits your own taste. You can get it in black, and they have a nice white version as well. On top of that, for most accessories, it fully supports the large ecosystem of the X5, including their magnetic mounts. So if you want to connect it via magnetic mount, you're able to do so. Plus, it does have a standard quarter 20 there on the bottom. It's even compatible with their GPS preview remote and microphone, and their new Air microphone. Both of these can be paired directly to the camera. So for a lot of people, this is going to be a great choice. It's coming in at a really good price for Black Friday. Now that sale price is not going to last for long, so if you are thinking of something like this, I wouldn't hesitate too long. At $299, you're getting a really good camera at a really good price. The X4 Air is fully compatible with the Insta360 app, so you have full access to all the powerful editing tools, including keyframing if you like to do your own keyframing. But it also supports a lot of the auto editing features, the AI features. For those that don't want to spend a lot of time making edits, you can just tap a few buttons and it's going to export the footage the way you want it. So the X4 Air might be a great choice for those who are looking for a low cost yet powerful 360 camera. It's got a lot of benefits of the X5, but at a lower price. There are some differences between the X4 and the X5. Overall, you're going to get better video quality out of the X5 due to its larger sensor. It's got longer runtime. The X5 is rated for 208 minutes of recording time, whereas the X4 Air is rated for 88 minutes. And overall, you just have more options and settings that you're able to choose with the X5. So you just have to decide what is most important to you. At the end of the day, they're both great cameras and you'll be happy with your choice. Now, if this is a camera you are interested in, make sure you stay tuned as I will be making more videos about it over the coming weeks and months. We're going to do some comparisons and dive deeper into some of the features of this camera. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.